Join me as I dive deep into the world of Baba stock to see if it's actually worth investing in. Baba stock, also known as Alibaba Group Holding Limited, has been a hot topic among investors for quite some time. As one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world, it's natural for investors to be curious about its value. With a market capitalization of over $500 billion, Baba stock has the potential to make or break a portfolio. So, let's take a closer look at what's really going on with this stock. Baba stock has faced its fair share of challenges and controversies. One major issue is regulatory scrutiny, particularly from the Chinese government. The company's business practices and data handling have raised concerns among regulators, leading to increased oversight and potential fines. This has undoubtedly affected investor sentiment, with many worried about the impact on the company's growth prospects. Adding to the concerns is the intense competition in the e-commerce space, with rivals like JD.com and Pinduoduo vying for market share. The regulatory environment in China is notoriously unpredictable, and Baba stock has felt the heat. There have been instances where the company's stock price has plummeted due to regulatory concerns, only to recover when investors perceive the risks as diminished. This unpredictability can be unsettling for investors, making it essential to stay informed about the latest developments. Furthermore, market sentiment plays a significant role in determining the stock's performance, and Baba stock has been no exception. Over the years, market sentiment has swung wildly, with some investors bullish on the company's growth potential, while others are more cautious due to the challenges mentioned earlier. As an investor, it's crucial to separate the noise from the facts and make an informed decision based on data and analysis. With this in mind, let's examine the company's financial health to better understand its stock performance. Examining Baba's financial health reveals a complex picture. The company's recent earnings reports have shown both strengths and weaknesses. On the one hand, Baba's revenue growth has been impressive, driven by its dominant position in the Chinese e-commerce market. On the other hand, profit margins have been under pressure due to increased competition and regulatory costs. Despite these challenges, the company has a solid balance sheet, with significant cash reserves and a manageable debt burden. Baba's growth potential remains substantial, particularly in areas like cloud computing and digital payments. The company's diversification efforts have paid off, with these segments contributing increasingly to its revenue. However, investors need to be aware of the risks involved, including the possibility of slower growth or increased regulation. A thorough analysis of the company's financials and market trends is essential to determining whether Baba stock is a buy or a sell. When evaluating Baba's stock performance, it's essential to consider multiple metrics, including its price-to-earnings ratio, dividend yield, and moving averages. Based on these indicators, some analysts believe the stock is undervalued, while others argue it's fairly priced or even overvalued. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Baba stock depends on individual financial goals and risk tolerance. Taking a step back, my analysis suggests that Baba stock is a complex investment opportunity. While the company has significant growth potential, it also faces substantial challenges. By weighing these factors and considering multiple perspectives, investors can make a more informed decision about whether Baba stock aligns with their investment strategy. To recap, we've covered the relevance of Baba stock, its challenges and controversies, financial health, and growth potential. The key takeaway is that Baba stock is a multifaceted investment opportunity that requires careful consideration. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. If you have any thoughts on Baba stock or its investment potential, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about e-commerce stocks or investment strategies, be sure to check out another video on my channel where I dive into the world of e-commerce investing.